today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a FAQ page on your Wix website. Having a frequently asked questions, or FAQ page, is a great way to provide quick answers to common queries from your visitors, enhancing their experience and saving you time. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you're logged into your Wix account and on your website's dashboard. From here, you'll want to click on Site Actions and select Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Once it's open, you'll see many options on the left sidebar. Look for the menu's Pages icon and give it a click. This will allow you to manage your site's pages. Now, let's add a new page for your FAQ section. Scroll down to the bottom where you see an option to Add Page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose a template. For a FAQ page, simplicity is key. You might want to select a blank page template or one that closely matches your existing site style. After selecting the template, give your new page a relevant name, like FAQs or Frequently Asked Questions, and hit Done. With your new page created, it's time to add content. Go back to that handy sidebar and find the Add button, then select Text for headings and descriptions. Start by adding a heading, such as Frequently Asked Questions, using a font size and style that align with the design of your site. Once your heading is set, it's time to input the actual questions and answers. You can do this by adding smaller text boxes beneath your heading. A helpful tip here is to format the questions in bold to make them stand out and easy to identify. Beneath each question, type out your corresponding answer. Remember to keep your answers concise but informative to provide value without overwhelming your visitor. As you're organizing your FAQ page, consider using the Collapsible List feature. It neatly organizes your questions into drop-down boxes, helping visitors navigate the page more effectively. To do this, go back to Add, select Interactive, and then choose Collapsible List. Once it's on your page, you can customize the list items by editing the default questions and answers. Before wrapping up, let's address page navigation. Make sure your new FAQ page is easy to find. Back in Menus Pages, drag the new page into your main navigation menu if it's not already there. This ensures your visitors can quickly locate it. Also, consider linking your FAQ page in your site's footer for even more accessibility. Lastly, don't forget to adjust the site's overall layout and style to maintain consistency. Double-check your FAQ page on mobile view to ensure it's just as user-friendly on smaller screens. Once everything looks good, hit Publish to make your FAQ page live. And there you have it. Creating a FAQ page on Wix is straightforward and enhances user experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful as you work on your site.